eh.
Oh, hindi mo.
Tara, balik na tayo sa show.
Wait, teka. Oh, I just thought of something. Well, I mean, don't you guys notice that the songs we sing are always the songs that we like?
So, thus, ergo, to conclude, therefore...
Well, why don't we try singing the songs that we don't like?
Ikaw, ano ba yung mga ayaw mo kanta?
Mga ayaw mong kanta?
Yeah.
Pare, hindi ko alam eh. Wait! Pero, why don't we ask the band?
The band!
The band!
The band!
The band! Igo, anong mga ayaw mong kanta?
Ayoko yung mga bastos.
Spell! Bastos!
Basta explicit.
Wow! Pinahirapan ka rin.
Guys,
Bastos.
excuse me. Dito naman tayo kay PJ, our pianist, no? Let's